It's another lovely afternoon down here at the battery fire. You're not going to believe this. I was on my way to grab my mail the other day and noticed that some forgetful person dropped their disposable vape. I brought it to my orphanage for abandoned lithium cells, which I believe to be the humane thing to do here. This poor little ruffian needs a good clean up after all that time on the streets, so we're running the bath. Our little friend is excited for the scrub down and soaking up the warmth of the isopropyl with gratitude and zeal. After we're done cleaning, it's time for a new outfit. This dirty black tube has seen better days and isn't offering our friend much in the way of protection. Let's just remove it altogether. There we go. Look at how mistreated this poor battery was. The tank was still half full of fluid when it was abandoned, simply because it was never meant to work that hard without a break to recharge. Let's see if we can free our battery friend from some of its shackles, like this suction sensor. Disposable manufacturers lure innocent young batteries using these knickknacks and then subject them to an abysmally short life expectancy. There we go. Feel better now? All right. This battery needs a checkup appointment. Healthy amps make battery champs. We'll check this cell's pulse by measuring its voltage. But first, we need to perform a bit of surgery. Don't worry, little buddy. This won't hurt a bit. Dun-dun-dun, snip, snip. A healthy voltage for a charged battery is around 3.7 to 4.2. Uh-oh. Let's close up these wounds and grab some other junk. What's the difference between a disposable vape and a rechargeable one? About 75 cents of copper and silicon. Time to get serious. The technical term for what we're doing here is called attaching the battery. It's important that you don't put your finger between the two shiny parts. Now that we're attached, it's time for the juice. 5 volts freshly squeezed. This battery is in much brighter spirits now. It's ready to fulfill a greater destiny than sitting in a landfill, like charging my other vape. We've come full circle. Hooray!